Hey guys, I hope you are well by the grace of Allah. Today we have a contest May CodeChef Starters 2021 Division 3 rated. This is my another CodeChef contest at Division 3. So I solved three problems here. The contest is still running. I submitted the solution of a number 4 problems several times. I got wrong test case. Now I'm gonna explain the problem. So let's jump into the first problem. So I'm not gonna reading the essay here. So according to the question, we have three value x, m and d. So there is x unit time in which time the chief supposed to finish the work, but the chief want to finish the work in x into m time. Okay, but there is a limitation. The limitation is d time. So the chief at most have x plus d time. So we have to find what is the minimum time in which the chief have to done the work. What is that mean? That means if the value x into m is less than x plus d, then we print x into m, or if the value is x plus d is less than x into m, then we print x plus d. So that is the actual solution. So I hope you guys get the point. Now I'm showing my code. So here you can see that I take x, m and d, then I scan it, then I found the minimum value between m into x and x plus d. So I hope you guys get the point. Now let's jump into the second problem. This problem is total pain in my ass. So I'm not gonna reading the essay here. According to the question, we have two languages. The first language contain words lowercase a to m, and the second language contain the alphabet of uppercase n to z. Okay, so according to the question, the chief take a sentence. As the sentence has three n words, the n equal to 3. Suppose the n equal to 3, so we have three words here. Which I take a, b, first word, I take n, z, second word, and I take n and the lowercase x. Okay, so I have to find that in every word the chief have to use only one language. What does that mean? That means in this word the chief only can use a to m, or only can use the uppercase n to z. I hope you guys get the point. Here the chief use only the first language here, a to m, because a, b is under a to m, so this is correct. And in this case this is also correct, because in this word the chief only use the second language, so this is also correct, n to z. But this is not correct, because n is under this language, but x is not under any of this language, because x is not the range under the range of this or this, so this is incorrect. So I hope you guys get the point. Now I'm showing my code. So at first I take an array and I contain in the word here, and I took two variables, and after that I scan the words. So and then I check the word. At first I check single word. So in this single words, if the alphabet, here you can see that the alphabet is a, so here this character fulfill this condition, so here the CNT value increasing. So after that I take b, and then it is also under this condition, so the value of CNT is also increment. So after that I check this condition. If the character is less than n, that means if the character is out of this category and also is greater than m, that it means that is out of this category, then I haven't checked any other option and then print no. But if there is no condition such that, then I check if the value CNT and CNTT both value is greater than 0. What is that means? That means suppose I take n and a. So in a word I use two different languages, right? Because n is under this and a is under this. So that is why if the n is under this, then CNTT is incrementing, so the value is 1, right? And if this character belongs to this category, so the CNT value is also 1. So we use both of the language in a word, but according to the question we haven't do that. So that is why I gave this condition, and it fulfills, then it print no and ended the program. After checking a word, I put this condition. What is this condition? This condition means if the total character in a word out of this value, so we print no. What is that mean? That means I take a word, suppose I take a word A and I take a word N. So A is out of this language category and N is out of this language category. So CNT and CNTT are both 0, right? So that is why I print no here. And if the 3 condition is not fulfilled, then I print yes. I hope you guys get the point. Now I'm jumping into the third problem. So this is the logarithm. So I'm not gonna reading the essay here. So according to the question, we have 3 value n, m and k. N, m and k. So there is the total n student, that means n user and m author. So there is a quiz system, and in this quiz system there is m author, and the author have the authority to attend the quiz as many as time, but the student, the n student, didn't have the author to attend the quiz as many as time. According to this question, we have to find how many users are attending the quiz as several time. So I hope you guys get the point. If I take value n is 5 and m is 5 and k is 10, k means the attempt number of the quiz. So I would like to mention on many things. From 1 to n they are users, okay, and 1 n plus 1 to n plus m they are author, right? So the author has the ability to attempt the quiz as many as time, but the user have only one time. So we didn't check this portion because we don't need to find them, because this is not the condition in the question. We have to find the users. So at first, so we have 10 attempt. In first attempt, the second person attempt the quiz. So this second person is user, because from 1 to n, that means 1 to 5, right? So second person is users. In second attempt, the fifth person is attempting, he is also users. Then again the second person attempt it multiple time, so we have to count the second person here, okay. Then we again have fifth person, so fifth person attempt it multiple times, so we have 5 here, and then we have 2 also here. So the second person already attempt in the quiz 2 times, so we haven't count this because already find this. Then we have 4, so 4 is also user, but 4 attempt it 1 time. Then we have 10, 10, 10, 10, but we didn't count 10 here because 10 is greater than n and 10 is author. We don't need to find the author because the author have the authority to attempt the quiz multiple times. I hope you guys get the point. Now I am showing my code. So according to the question, I take n, m and k and scan it. After that, I take an array, the array size in m plus n, and I made all of the element of this array 0, and then I take another array, and this array I take the participated number. Here I take 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 4, 10, 10, 10. Okay. So I sort the array. Why I sort the array? Because according to the question, here we can see for each test case, print a single line containing an integer d denoting the number of user who should be disqualified. Disqualified means those students who attempt the quiz more than 1 time, and following by a separated d space separated integers denoting the numbers in ascending orders. That is why I sort the array. It becomes, so after that I take a vector and I take a condition. If the ai is greater than n, then break the loop. What is that mean? That means here what is the value of m here? 5, right? So from in which numbers the author number is starting? 5 plus 1, right? 6. So if the array value, the ai value is greater than 5, then it enter into the author. So we didn't want to check the author. That is why we break this condition here. And after that I take in an x and I counted the frequency here. I hope you guys know how to count the frequency. So I count the frequency here, and after that I put them into the vector. I hope you guys get the point. Then I print the vector size, and then I print the vector. I hope you guys get the point. See you in the next contest. Till then, take care. Bye bye.